Is my Windows operating system 32-bit or 64-bit? The quickest way to find out using Windows 10 is to select the magnifying glass on the taskbar, type the word computer. Over this PC, right-click this option and select Properties. And there's your answer. System type is a 64-bit operating system. It also informs us that we have a 64-bit base processor. Okay, if we're running Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, the answer is to select the Start button and choose the Control Panel, then select System and Security, and then select System. And you will see the answer. Again, the information displaying whether you have a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video.